Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful morning. It's Sunday. I'm sitting in a smoke shop parking lot at the moment. About to pull out, actually. We're just kind of vibing today. So what the plan is to grab the homies, because I'm actually going to be recording a camping trip for my sister's birthday. She don't know about it, but I'm going to make like a dope ass edit for her and like put a bunch of cars in it and then do some shit with her. I'm going to make her an edit. So I'm going to make something cool for her birthday. We're actually going up north to Flagstaff, so I want to record that, and I might slide around in the dirt here and there, have a little fun with it, you feel? Now I got some biscuits and shit and bacon. It's about almost 10:30. But yeah, we're just vibing right now, cruising. But I will hit you guys back up when I get back to the crib. Yo, what up, lady and gents? So today, actually gonna be trimming up the hood a little bit here and there, getting her all spliced and diced and ready to go. I got some hood pins I'm gonna throw under the whip, some Aero catch, pins, got the hood all up. I think where I'm gonna put it at is where I think these hit. So these go down, they plop about right here. So I think after I take the latch out of there on the bottom, right here, after I take these guys out, then it'll be able to come up right there, and I'll be able to install it onto that same part right here. Have to do a little bit of cutting. Shit, but other than that, we should be all good. So I'll get with y'all when we get to that. After it's all said and done, should look something like right there, right about there, I'm hoping. And I'll probably have to flex it a little bit to make it sit flush or something, but we'll figure it out. I have to figure that shit out. But we're getting there. I'm just gonna pop all this off, take all this out, take that out, and then get back to you guys. Hood latch is off. Holes are through. And these are open right here. I'm gonna set this up top, right on the hole, where this hole lines up with the other hole. And then from there, tape it onto there, get it all cut out and everything, and go from there. Well, I'm gonna be 100% honest. That was a complete fail. I got the pins put up, I got the holes drilled and everything, and I forgot the Dremel. Yeah, I got the holes cut. To cut the outline. What? I'm basically gonna put that inside of my hood. Yeah, so I gotta cut off. We plasma cut that shit out of my hood. But they're in. And now I'm just trying to figure out how to get my hood to sit level with this, because the bolts are at the right height, but the rubber grommets don't seem to want to fucking sit right. Oh, alrighty guys, so I think they look super fucking nice. I got them all dialed in and shit. So this one's just a little loose, just a tiny bit, but it's just the inside connector because of these rubber bushings right here that I have on the bolt. But yeah, so you just as you can see, I got rubber bushings all up it so that they sit snug. I don't have to figure out where the placement's at. I mean, the underneath just is what it is. At least it goes up. Not bad. Now we just need the bumper. But anyways, I'm gonna go in and take a shower. It's been a minute. Just I got off work and I wanted to do this, get this done. So it looks clean for now until next time. I will be going out of town to Flagstaff soon, tomorrow. So got all the camping gear set up. That's why I wanted to get this hood done so that I couldn't just go up there and not have any issues if I needed to pop the hood or something. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to stay sticking around, because in a couple seconds we're about to be heading to Flagstaff.
The lights out, you don't see no scary in this bitch. We gon' bite down, ride it with bigger poles in the whip. Long boom, chopstick, kung fu, drop kick. Hella foolish with the clips, but ain't no fooling with I'm a sucker to a sucker. I'm sending shots, they gon' duck 'em. Need a poke, not the fit, but dirty dick that's finna fuck 'em. All these pussy niggas talking about shooting their head or nothing. We gon' wanna back to back, and show niggas who killing.